Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to balance redox half reactions. People find it is difficult to balance since it involves in ionic equations. So, today I'm going to teach you how to balance these redox half reactions. So, here when it comes to redox half reactions, you have to balance atoms and charges. So when you are given a reaction, you have to find what are the reactants and products. For an example, if I take potassium permanganate, we will take permanganate ion, get reduced to manganese 2 plus, and sulfur dioxide get oxidized to sulfate ion. So how it works? So we can balance them separately. Let's take the first one, permanganate, that is aqueous, goes to Men 2 plus, that is aqueous. So when you are balancing this type of a reaction, what you want to do is first you have to balance oxygen. To balance oxygen, you have to add water. If you add water to this side oxygen amount will be increased. Therefore, you have to add water to the other side. So, you have to add 4 water molecules. Now, you have introduced hydrogen to this equation. So, to balance hydrogen, you have to add H plus, hydrogen ion. So, here when it comes to hydrogen, if you had hydrogen to this side hydrogen content will increase. So, you have to add hydrogen to this side. So, it will be 4 into 2, 8H plus. Then, now you have balanced the atoms. Now you have to balance the charges. Here the total charge will be 7 plus, but here the total charge will be 2 plus. Here 8 minus 1, 7. Here 2 plus. So you have to add electrons to balance the charges. If you add electrons to this side becomes more negative, right? So the positive charge will be decreased. But this side is the most positive charge. You have to add electrons to the more positive charge. Here it is 7 plus, you have to make it 2, so you have to add 5 more electrons. Understood? So this equation is balanced. So the final equation will be 5 electrons, 8H plus and permanganate, here Mn2 plus and 4H2O. Then when it comes to sulfur dioxide is a gas. It goes into sulfate ion. So here now you have to balance oxygen. Here 2, here 4. So you have to add 2 water molecules to this side. Now there are 8H plus a hydrogen, 4H hydrogens. So you have to add 4H plus to this side. Then you can balance the charges. Here it is 4 minus 2, 2. Here it is 0. So this is the more positive side. So to this side you have to add 2 more electrons. Now those equations are balanced, right? So now you have to make a complete equation. For that you have to multiply by the factors. Here 5, so you have to multiply this total equation by 5. Here it is 2, so you have to multiply the other equation by 2. Then you have to add these two equations. So the final equation will be 2 permanganate and 16H plus 10 electrons plus 5 sulfur dioxide plus 10 water gives 2 Mn2 plus 8 H2O plus 5 sulfate plus 5 into 4 20 H plus 10 electrons. So they get cancelled. 10 electrons get cancelled to 10 electrons. Here 20 H plus and 16 H plus. Here 4 H plus is remaining. And then here 8 water, 10 water. So 2 waters are remaining. So the final total equation will be 2MnO4 minus plus 5 sulfur dioxide plus 2 water gives you 2Mn2 plus 5 sulfate plus 4H plus. So if you check the charges and the atomic balance, they are balanced. So this is the easiest way of balancing equation. So I'll give another video regarding how to balance these redox reactions using oxidation numbers.